Ever had one of those days where you just can't start working? You stare at your to-do list like it's some ancient curse. Well, meet Jack. Jack is a professional procrastinator. His specialty? Saying, "I'll do it in 5 minutes," then watching YouTube for 5 hours. But one day, something happened that changed Jack's life forever. Jack had a huge assignment due the next morning. He promised himself he'd start early, but well, it was already 11:57 p.m. And then, Jack did something that would change everything. He told himself, "I'll just open my laptop and write one sentence. That's it. Just 2 minutes." And guess what? He kept going. Before he knew it, he had written 3 paragraphs. That, my friend, is the magic of the 2-minute rule. What is the 2-minute rule? It's simple. If something takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. If it's a big task, just commit to starting for 2 minutes. Why does this work? Because our brain hates starting tasks, but once we begin, it's much easier to keep going. How to use the 2-minute rule in real life. Alright, let's break this down into real-life scenarios. Want to work out? Just put on your workout clothes. 2 minutes done. Need to study? Just open the book and read one sentence. Easy, right? Have a huge project? Just write the first line. And here's the crazy part. Once you start, you almost never stop after 2 minutes. Bonus tip, habit stacking. Want to make this even more powerful? Combine the 2-minute rule with habit stacking. After brushing your teeth, read 1 page of a book. Before drinking coffee, write 1 sentence of your journal. This way, your new habits stick naturally. So next time you feel lazy, stuck, or unmotivated, don't force yourself to do everything at once. Just start for 2 minutes. Because once you start, you won't stop. Try this today and let me know in the comments. What's one task you'll start using the 2-minute rule for? And if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more productivity hacks.